Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Claude's location tracking. So we're signed into Claude right now and you're going to want to access your settings menu. We can access this by clicking on our profile icon at the bottom left hand side of our screen and then clicking on the settings option. So here you're going to want to navigate to the privacy tab.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Scroll down a little and you should be able to see location metadata. So I already have this off, but it's usually on by default. So if you want to turn off Claude's tracking, you can turn that off as well. There's also another privacy option here that you might be interested in, and it's helping improve their AI models. So by having this option on, they can use your chats and your chat history to train their newer models. And if you'd like, you can also turn that option off here. I already have both options off here. So I already have both of those options off here, which is a really nice way of just securing some peace of mind when it comes to privacy. That's going to be it for this video. That was really quick and really easy, and hopefully you were able to follow along. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.